As a nutritionist, I am often asked for tips on healthy eating. It seems like everyone is looking for the secret to maintaining a balanced diet and staying on track with their health goals. And while there is no one-size-fits-all answer, there are some general guidelines that can help steer you in the right direction. First and foremost, it's important to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. This means choosing foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, variety is key. Different colors of fruits and vegetables provide different nutrients, so it's important to mix it up and eat a rainbow of produce. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at each meal to ensure you're getting a good mix of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains are another important component of a healthy diet. Look for whole grain breads, pastas, and cereals, as well as grains like quinoa, brown rice, and barley. These foods are higher in fiber and nutrients than their refined counterparts, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing important nutrients like B vitamins and iron. Protein is also crucial for a healthy diet, as it helps build and repair tissues in the body. Lean sources of protein like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes are great options. Try to include a source of protein at each meal to help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Healthy fats are another important component of a balanced diet. While it's true that fats are higher in calories than carbohydrates and protein, they are also essential for overall health. Look for sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. In addition to focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, it's also important to pay attention to portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in excess. Try using measuring cups and food scales to help you understand what a serving size looks like, and aim to eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Another important aspect of healthy eating is staying hydrated. Water is essential for overall health and can help regulate body temperature, aid digestion, and flush out toxins. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. In addition to water, herbal teas and sparkling water can also help keep you hydrated without adding extra calories or sugar. Avoid sugary drinks like soda, fruit juice, and energy drinks, as these can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Finally, it's important to listen to your body and eat mindfully. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues, and try to eat slowly and without distractions. This can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. In conclusion, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, paying attention to portion sizes, staying hydrated, and eating mindfully, you can support your overall health and well-being. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Small changes over time can add up to big results, so start where you are and make one healthy choice at a time. Your body will thank you for it.